We'll guide you through how to connect Canva to Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To connect Canva to Notion, start by opening your browser and waiting for it to load completely so you can begin without any interruption. After that, go to the search bar and make sure you click on it before typing anything. Once the search bar is active, search for Canva and wait for the results to appear. When the list loads, select the first page that appeal and let the site open. Now log in or sign into your account so you can access your projects. After you are inside your Canva workspace, open your project that you want to connect to Notion, making sure it is the correct design you want to embed. When the project is open, go to the Share button on top and press See All so you can view all available share options. Inside that menu, press the Embed button and copy the second link that appeal, because that is the embed link you will use later. Then open a new tab after you copy the link and search for Notion inside that new tab to move on to the next part. When the search results load, select the first web that appeal and wait for it to open. Once the page is ready, log in or sign into your account so you can get to your workspace. After logging in, go to the private area in the Notion and locate the button that lets you create a new page. Press the plus button on the right to make a new page where your Canva project will go. Inside the new page, give a title so you can recognize the page easily later. And then go to the main section and type /emb to search the embed option, which is the feature used to place outside content inside Notion. Inside the embed window that appears, paste your link and press Embed Link to let Notion pull the design in. Once that is done, the system will load the content and prepare it on your page. Finally, your Canva project will appeal inside Notion, showing the design exactly where you placed it without needing any extra steps or changes. And now you can view it anytime from within your Notion workspace.